Today we're going to remove the purge valve from a 2009 Dodge Challenger Hemi 6.1 SRT-8. There it is, that's the word I was looking for. So let's go ahead and start off by pulling this up and out from here. There it is. Let's go ahead and remove this pigtail from here and just push this down. Might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and disconnect this hose from here. Alright, this hose is super hard to take off, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bottom line here first. Use a flathead to pull that out. You might need both hands. Alright, there it is. I flipped the car around. I was in the sun and it's starting to get hot now. So I got it out. I was able to pull this out, the hose. This hose goes right in here. And then this one, it goes plugged in here. I was trying to pull it out, but in all reality, you push this in and it releases it. So you have this pigtail. You have this one, you push in, it releases. You have this hose right here, and it goes sitting down right there. So we're going to go ahead and replace this, and hopefully this takes care of the issue. We have a check engine light right now, and it's a P0450 something. And hopefully this takes care of it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.